Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is invertible function. So what are the invertible function? So let's see its definition first. DEFINITION. Definition. What is its definition? A function f from x to y is defined to be invertible if there exists a function g such that from y to x such that g of f is equal to identity function x and FOG is equal to identity function y. The function g is called the inverse of f and is denoted by f inverse. Okay students, now this is a definition. So this can be understood with the help of an example. So let's take an example. Okay students, and also remember one thing, that if a function is invertible, then it must be 1 or onto, and if a function is 1 and onto, then it will be invertible. So both the things are true. Now let's understand the concept of invertibility with the help of an example. Let f is a function from n to y be a function defined as fx is equal to 4x plus 3, where y is equal to small y belongs to natural number such that y is equal to 4x plus 3 for some x belongs to natural number. Show that f is invertible and find the inverse. So solution. Now we have studied that if a function f is defined from x to y, and if there another function g is defined from y to x such that g of f of x is equal to identity function x and f of g of y is equal to identity function y. Now if these conditions are satisfied, then the function is invertible and g is called as the inverse of f and is denoted by f inverse. Now since fx is equal to 4x plus 3 or y is equal to 4x plus 3, so x is equal to y minus 3 upon 4 and x is what? G of y. So g of y is y minus 3 by 4. So we have two functions, f of x and g of y. Okay, now f of g of x, this is equal to f of g of x and f of, what is g of x? G of f of g of y, f of g of y. So what is g of y? Y minus 3 upon 4. Y minus 3 upon 4. Now fx is equal to, this is 4, and at the place of x, y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. So this is y. So f of g of y is equal to y is equal to identity function y. Now let's find of g of f of x. So this is equal to g of f of x. Now what is f of x? F of x is 4x plus 3. So it is 4x plus 3. Now g of y is y minus 3 by 4. So at the place of y put 4x plus 3 minus 3 by 4, and this is equal to x. This is equal to identity function x. Okay. Now fog is equal to gof. Therefore the function is invertible. And the inverse is, what is the inverse? G is the inverse. So f inverse y is equal to y minus 3 upon 4. So this is the inverse. Okay students, now I think it is clear to you. Now let's take another example. Consider a function f defined from real number to closed bracket 4 comma infinity open bracket, given by fx is equal to x square plus 4. Show that f is invertible with the inverse f inverse of f given by f inverse y is equal to root y minus 4, where r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers. Okay students, now how to solve? Let's solve. Now since we have given fx is equal to x square plus 4 and we need the gx, so put y is equal to x square plus 4, x square is equal to y minus 4, and x is equal to plus minus root y minus 4. Since we have to consider the non-negative real numbers, therefore x is equal to root y minus 4, or g of y is equal to root y minus 4. Now the function will be invertible if f of g of y is equal to identity function y. So this is f of g of y. This is equal to f of g of y is root y minus 4, and fx is equal to root y minus 4 whole square plus 4, and this is equal to y minus 4 plus 4, and this is equal to y. So f of g of y is equal to identity function y. Okay, now let's find GOF. G of f of x. So this is equal to g of f of x, and this is equal to x square plus 4, and g of y so this is equal to root x square plus 4 minus 4. This is equal to root x square, and this is equal to x. G of f of x is equal to x is equal to identity function x. Now since GOF is equal to identity function x and f of g is equal to identity function y, hence the function is invertible and g is the inverse of the function. So g is equal to f inverse, or f inverse y is equal to root y minus 4. Hence proved. Okay students.